Hi everybody, this is your Mathi. Welcome to Bring Divine Mind channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Today we are going to see the introduction video. Today we are going to see the video on Kinemaster tutorial part 3, which is nothing but how to make an introduction video. Say for example, if you are having a YouTube channel and if you want to make an intro video for your channel, it will be very useful. Okay, I'm going to teach you the concepts very easily in order to make your introduction video. I'm sure that this video will help you a lot. Shall we go to the video? Hi everybody, I'm going to teach you how to give a video intro using Kinemaster. Okay, so first of all you have to click the plus symbol, then go to the empty project. You have to download some of the videos which are without copyright. Okay, so if you use those videos, there should not be any problem at all. So you just download those videos and you keep it in your gallery. Okay, if you simply download, it will be in your downloads only. So there is a technique in order to download into your gallery. I'll teach you in another video. So this is the video. This is which I have downloaded already. Okay, so just play this. So these are some of the intros. You just choose some intro which you like a lot. Okay, so I'm just going to choose an intro. Okay, I'm going to choose this intro. So for that what I'm doing is I just want the video from this side. The other things I don't want. So what I'm doing is I just choose the place from where I needed it. So I'm just fixing the place over here. If I click this, I don't want the left side portion. You just go to take the scissor and you trim the left of the plate. So everything will be going and you'll be getting this alone. Fine. So if I run the video, I want to display a word in this part, that is in the middle region. So I have to fix that place exactly where I want a letter. Okay, once again I'll tell you, this is the video. If I play, you stop the video exactly where you want to write something. Okay, you stop it there, and what you have to do is you have to go to the layer, and in the layer you are having the option text. Now I'm going to write as bring divine mind. Okay, so I have written as bring divine mind. It came exactly inside. So if you want to increase the size, you can increase just by holding, and in the right side you'll be having, if you want to change the color you can change, if you want to change the font you can change the font. I have just chosen no touch serif bold, so it became bold. And if I want to choose the color also I can choose. If I want to use yellow color I can choose yellow. Okay, then this one. So what happens is it is changed as yellow. Fine. If you want to use some animations you can use. You just see this option. No, this is the option for animation. You just click this letters again and you go for the animation. This is second option is animation. See, fade means it will come like this. If I choose pop means it pops like this. Slide right means it comes from the right side. Slide left means from the left side. Slide up means it is going towards up. Slide down means coming downwards. Spin CW means spin clockwise. Spin CCW means spin counterclockwise. See how it is. This is drop. This is scale up, scale down, converge, letter by letter, wipe right, wipe left, wipe up, wipe down. See how interesting it is. Whatever animation we want, we can choose it, right? So I feel like having spin clockwise. Okay. Otherwise, we can choose anything as you wish, converge or letter by letter. Fine. So this is the thing which you want to choose. Now, if I play the video, you see that what happens. See, my channel name is Bring Divine Mind. It came, right? Now, I don't feel like having this fire. So I just click here. I don't want to cut the entire side on the right side. What I'm going to do is, I just want to split it. So just go and take the scissor. And the third option is splitted playhead. So what happens is, it got splitted. Now you see that you just scroll it and you see whichever is interesting for you. Okay, I would like to choose here. So from here I want to play it. Okay, so before this I don't want. So what I'm doing is, I just click this and I'm going to delete the videos, delete the part which is at the left side. Since we have splitted the videos, the first part will not be deleted. So I click like this, go to the scissor and then trim the left of the playhead. You see, now the entire thing went out, and I don't want this Bring Divine Mind inside the circle. So I just click this and I'm just tracking this up to this one alone. So you just choose this and you just bring it here. Now inside this circle, the Bring Divine Mind will not come. Okay. Now what you have to do is, you just play it once again. Now I want to write something inside this circle. So what I'm doing is, I just stop the video over there and I'm going to add again layer. You just see once again what I'm going to do. I'm just playing it. So here I should get a display. I'm going to write Mathi. So I'm just adding the text M-A-T-H-I. Okay. So if I want to expand this, just track with your hand. And if you want to change the color, you can change. I'm going to use red color or green color. Okay. Now green color is not at all visible, so better to choose yellow color again. Fine. Now it is shown very well. Again the same way, if you want to do any animations, slide right, left, everything, you can do it. I just want to do it converge. Fine. Now you see what happens. Okay, fine. So it is coming like this, right? Then again you can split the playhead, and if you want to reduce it, you want to display the Mathi up to this area, means you can track this and you can bring it here. And now you just see that what are the things you are going to write again. Right, now I don't want this portion, so I am going to cut the left portion. So go to the scissor, trim to left of the playhead. Now I'm going to add, you just play it and see where you want to add it. I just want to add it here, right? So you just choose this place where you want to add the next text. You just choose the place and then again go to the layer, text. I'm just going to type it as be positive. Be positive always, right? So it will be displayed here. If you want to increase the width, you can increase. Fine. If you want to change the color, you can change the same thing. If you want to change bold or whatever it may be, you can do it. See, okay. Now I don't want all these things. You just see how it is coming. You play and see. Fine, it is a little bit lengthier, so I am just going to cut down some of the portions in the left side. Fine, now you see how it comes. See this to be positive always it came this side, so you just drag it and you bring it here and you bring this also here. Fine. Now I don't want this region, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to split it. Fine. Now you see how it is coming. See, I don't want this fire part, so what I'm going to do is I'm just extending. I'm just going to remove this fire area. You just see there where it is. Fine. So this area I'm just going to cut it, right side of the playhead. Fine. Now I'm going to remove this area completely. I don't want anything because the introduction video must be less than 30 seconds only, not beyond that. So I'm just removing all these things. So I'm just going to remove these things. Just click that portion whichever you don't want and you go to delete and delete. Now you see this alone how it is going to come. You see the entire video how it is. I don't want this portion is a little bit lengthier, so I'm just cutting this front portion. Okay, you see how it is going to come. See the remaining things I don't want, so I'm just clicking this and I'm just deleting it. Okay, so you see the entire video is around 31 seconds. If I don't want, I can cut this portion. In the front I'm just cutting it. Trim to the left of the playhead. Okay, now you have to adjust this a little bit. You just click here this part and you just bring it here, and if you don't want it in this area you can drag this and you bring it for this alone. Fine, you can adjust it. Okay, no issues. And This Mathi should come exactly in the center, so you adjust accordingly. You click on this text and you adjust. The same way, be positive also you can adjust where it should come exactly. Now I am going to play the entire intro video, which is around 28 seconds. Design your own intro video. Thank you so much for your patience listening. Thank you. You just export it and you just use it for your intros. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hope you got a clear idea to make your introduction video. Right? What are the things I know I just taught you? I'm very happy that I have taught something for you. Thank you so much for your patience listening.